Amy, is what you want to do. I think I will ride on you for a while. Don't mind it if I do. Oh yeah, this next trailer is Amy's, the Amy's Quad. Another Riblet, and it was built in 1980. It was and it has 94 chairs on it. I'm gonna get my glove on, so I don't freeze to death. Well, here we go. What chair am I gonna be on this time? Sorry, 47. So dude, here's just 47 is my favorite number, baby. Woo! Take that. Oh, that's pole 1A. Okay, so this chairlift has, yeah. Okay, it looks like it's 23 poles. It has 1A, and then 2 to 22. And yeah, 94 chairs, as I said. We're on my favorite number. We're just half a 94. I'm super happy. Now, I don't know which Amy this was. This can't be Senator Amy Klobuchar because she's from Minnesota. I don't know. I don't know who this is named after. But anyway, I hope the scanner was able to find my pass. I was just so eager to get on this number because I love it. Hate to be following it. Anyway, yeah, so look at all that powder, man. It's gonna be great. Well, it has been great skiing on it so far today. And yeah, so you know, interestingly enough, when I was here 3 years ago, I went on this lift 6 times, and I hit every digit exactly once, except for 8, which I hit twice. 86, 53, let's see here. Yeah, it was 86, 53, 19, 78, 40, and then 2. Yes, every digit. 11, 8. Yes. Oh yeah, I just got a text from Mom. We're going home. We're going home at 2 p.m. today, which means I better hurry that the heck up. But hey, I will definitely be hitting all 6 lifts today. That's a fact. I'm so pumped. And if we get to leave for 2 because there's a huge winter storm coming to Grand Rapids. The Grand Rapids area. Grand Rapids, Kalamazoo, South Haven, that general area. There's a huge, oh yeah, here we are. It's Tier 94. Yeah, there's a huge snowstorm coming to that area. Oh, there's 95 now, okay. I swear to God, this chair, I could have sworn, this lift had, and I kid you not, it had 94 when I was here 3 years ago, and now they have a 95th chair. But anyway, look at all the snow here. It's kind of weird because as smoke is not, there was just not enough snow. And now it looks like there's a little bit too much snow. I hate to sound like Goldilocks here, but Tremblant was what I call just right. But you know what? Any snow is good snow, so who am I to complain? Yeah. 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 I was a little disappointed that we had to leave at 2 p.m., but Mom did rightly point out that I'll be able to hit all the lifts and possibly all the trails too. I might miss a couple trails, but anyway, I have been talking way too much. Cold. Yeah, it's cold enough that you take your hand out of your glove for too long, even just to set up your camera, it could be dangerous. And once again, it looks as though we are going to be let off the chair early before the lift gets to its true end. Yeah, that's, I guess, a feature, not a bug, of chairlifts manufactured by Riblet. Yeah, this is just 18 years older than me. Well, hey, at least I got the number of poles right, even if I didn't get the number of chairs right. Anyway, okay. Yeah, it's a fun ride. We'll wait for the chair to go around the corner. Come on. What were the odds? What were the odds that I'd ride in 47? All right, it's rounding the corner right now. There it is. All right, 2 more lifts to go. Let's do this.